Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the iPhone 15 Plus. Yeah, I'm having it a Pro version right now, but it is exactly the same. Okay, let's start. We will need the buttons to have a screenshot. So the side button and the volume up button. You have to press these both buttons now for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you want, you can also edit the screenshot by just tapping on the preview. Now you have the chance to copy a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website, someone's WhatsApp status and so on. And you can also draw something inside by just choosing a pen, and then you can draw something inside or highlight something as you want. After you can share this edited part here with arrow or on done, you can send it to your photos or to your iCloud as you want. Now I would save it to the photos. And yeah, let's have a look where it is right now. Of course, here are the photos. At the library, they're mixed up here with the photos and videos you have done with the camera. So this is why I recommend you to always go to the albums, because you will have a folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe if you have done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.